Have you created an amazing online course and you're ready to ramp up your sales? When my mom and I launched our digital course and coaching business, we were social media nobodies. We had no audience, no influence, and no clue where to start. And today we've done over 7 figures in digital course sales. And in this video, I'm sharing 6 smart tips to help you increase your enrollments ASAP. My name is Jordan Maley, and I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create a profitable social media presence without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. When it comes to creating sales for digital course, there are 2 main categories where you can work to improve your enrollments: in the offer itself and in the marketing side of that offer. I'm going to start by breaking down exactly what you can do within your offer to boost your sales. But I gotta tell you, if you're struggling to get consistent sales with your digital course, your membership, your coaching program, it's probably not because of the offer itself. It's probably because of the marketing. So yes, I'm gonna talk to you about your offer today because that's important, and every little thing we can do on the offer side to increase your sales really helps. But I'm also going to talk about the exact marketing strategy my mom and I have used to do over 7 figures in sales we have found will work for any offer, whether it's a low ticket $17 program, a signature course, a high ticket coaching package, or even an affiliate offer that you're promoting in exchange for commission. So let's get into it, okay? Tip number 1 is about pricing. Did you know that offering your course with multiple pricing tiers will give you an average of 25% increase in sales? We like to do this with our membership program and our signature course and our high ticket coaching packages. When you offer multiple pricing tiers, you can expect 25% of people to enroll at the higher price. So, for example, in a membership, you can offer monthly and annual pricing. The annual pricing is a savings to them, but more upfront money for you, and the guarantee that your student will stay in for the full year versus just a few months. For our signature course, we offer the standard package and a VIP package that comes with one-on-one time with us. When you're pricing your offer, ask yourself, what could I add to this to give the student more value without taking up a ton of my time and energy? This one simple tip can increase your profits by 25% without any extra work on your part. Tip number 2 is also about pricing, and that is to offer extended payment plans. We love making our program accessible for people, meaning even those who can't afford the full price have an opportunity to come in on one of our payment plan options. The other great thing about payment plans is they create predictable revenue. If you have a $2,000 course and you enroll 10 people at $200 a month for 10 months, you've created $2,000 in recurring revenue for your business for the next 10 months. Our biggest tip here is to make sure you don't extend payment plans beyond the length of the program. So, for example, in our signature course, we offer 6 months of support inside our membership community. So we offer a pay in full or a 6-month payment plan option. Tip number 3 is to create urgency. This is flirting with the marketing side of things just a little, which I'm going to talk about here in a minute, but ultimately it still comes down to your offer. So I wanted to mention it here. Within your offer, give people a reason to buy now versus later. There's 1,001 different ways to do this. I'm going to talk about my favorites when I get to the marketing side of things here in just a minute. But regardless of how you do it, you must find a way to build urgency into your offer. It all comes back to sales psychology. And one of the best places to research this is to look at businesses that have been doing it forever. Brick and mortar businesses. My parents used to own a brick and mortar furniture store, and this story is going to blow your mind. So back in the 90s, when they owned this store, the sales tax rate here in Texas was 6%. When my parents would run a sale or a promotion, which, by the way, they did every single weekend, even though they were located in the town square in a town with less than 10,000 people, they still ran a promotion every weekend. But when they would run that promotion for no sales tax, which obviously my parents still had to pay the sales tax, so what they did is just not add that extra 6% onto the customer's bill. So essentially the customer was getting 6% off. When they would run this promotion, their sales were almost double what they were when they would have a 10% off sale. Pretty crazy, right? Less savings, more sales. Why? Sales psychology. My parents tested both of these within their target market and found that people loved not having to pay tax. Another way to create urgency is to give something for free. In their store, my parents would sell mattresses and occasionally run a promotion where you would get a bed frame for free. This cost them less than $50, and it helped them sell a lot more $500 mattresses. Urgency is a part of sales and a part of business. And if you want to increase your sales, you've got to figure out how to work it in. All right, can you see how these 3 tips can seriously increase your sales within your offer? If this is getting you excited, drop a yes in the comments so that I know you're still with me. And now we're going to dive into the next 2 tips about how to decrease refund requests, payment defaults, and cancellations after the sale, which, let's be honest, is just as important as getting the actual sale in the first place. Then I'm going to go real deep into the marketing side, so stick with me. Tip number 4, drip your course content. The number 1 reason people ask for a refund is because they feel overwhelmed. Here's the truth. Your students don't know how to pace or schedule the process of going through your course. But you know who does? You. You are the course creator. You are the expert. Take the overwhelm out of their hands and let them take care of the course in bite-sized pieces. Not only will this reduce their overwhelm, but it will also raise the completion rate on your course. When you tell someone that the next module is coming out on a certain day, it gives them a built-in goal for getting the coursework done. We have never had to give a single refund on our signature course, and I can guarantee you this is a big part of why. Tip number 5, follow-up emails after the sale. All right, so many reasons why this is important, especially if you're offering any kind of membership program or course that has a payment plan option. Don't make people feel like the only reason you communicated with them is because you were trying to sell them something. Start with the obvious, the confirmation email after the sale, but also pre-schedule reminders for things like how to log in, where to get support, a little encouragement now and then. And if you have live sessions within your program, send out reminders before every single session, even though you might assume people will remember because they're paying for it. They don't. So when we started sending out email reminders about our live sessions inside our membership club, the Dream Factory, our attendance on those live calls increased by 10 times. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so those are the 5 tips, and they're going to help you so much. But my mom and I kind of have this thing for over-delivering, so I'm going to share this last tip, which falls within your marketing. And I guarantee it's going to double, triple, even 10x your sales. So one of the most common questions that we hear within our community is, I've created my course, I have it on my website, I talk about it on social media, I'm not getting sales. What am I doing wrong? And by far, the biggest misconception people have is that there is a problem with the offer itself. Some people even go so far as to assume no one wants the course, or the price is too high, or the name is wrong, or the entire course just needs to be scrapped and started over on its own. This is not true. 99 times out of 100, your course topic is in demand. The price is perfect. The name is genius. The value you're giving is incredible. So what's wrong? Why are you not getting sales? You're not using a marketing funnel. Tip number 6, connect your digital course to a marketing funnel. 98% of our sales come from our marketing funnels. It is extremely rare, even at this stage of our business where we've built a decent sized audience, we have a lot of visitors to our website, people have been exposed to our offers before. It's still extremely rare for us to sell any of our courses outside of our marketing funnel. In fact, our signature course, at the time of this recording, we've enrolled 107 students into it. It's called Laptop Lifestyle Academy. 1 of those came from our website. All the rest came from the funnel. There are 2 primary funnels that we use in our business. One is a freebie micro offer funnel, and the other is a free webinar funnel. Both generate leads, both convert sales on autopilot. And in fact, because of these two funnels, we have made at least one sale a day in our business every day for 5 years. Let me explain why this works, and it goes back to that sales psychology. When you're creating content on social media, you're doing so to attract an audience of buyers. You're leading with free value, which is great, but there's just not enough space to position your offer effectively through a single social media post. I mean, think about it. You've got a short video, a caption, a few carousel slides to work with. That's it. So what if you did this instead? Keep leading with value, and within your content, include a call to action where the viewer can get even more free value. This would be a free download or a free webinar training. That resource delivers even more value for them in a longer format. It builds trust, it builds authority, and now when you position the sale, they're much more likely to buy. Gary Vaynerchuk calls this jab, 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 right hook. You gotta jab, that's the free content, before you throw the right hook. Okay? If you want to see how this funnel marketing strategy works step by step, and you want me to show you how to automate the process so you can start generating daily leads and sales with your content without having to send cold messages or sell in DMs, then I invite you to go through our funnel. My mom and I created a free training where we show you step by step how to go from scratch to $20,000 months without a huge following. This is exactly what we did to launch and grow our own personal brand and start selling our own digital courses. And you can check it out at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training. All right, that's all I got for today. If you want to learn more about the 2 marketing funnels that I mentioned, then check out these 2 videos. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.